Hey guys, Joey here today. Welcome to another video. Now, a couple days ago, I went on newegg.com and I picked up two different flash drives, a 32GB one and a 128GB one. They both have extremely fast transfer speeds of 120, 150 megabytes per second, and overall are very compact and small. Now, what will I be using these for? I'm going to be installing Kali Linux on the 128GB one, and I'll be showing that to you in this video, and then in a future video I'll be showing you how to put Arch Linux on the 32GB one and run it off of these flash drives, so then you can bring Kali Linux and basically your entire library with you all the time. And what I really like about this is, say you have a school computer, then you can boot off of this. So pretty cool, right? And you can also go on, for example, a school computer at school, and you can boot off of this. So many choices to do. Overall, a great thing and very interesting. Anyway, so I'll be showing you how to do that. Without further ado, let's jump right into the process. Imaging Kali Linux onto a flash drive or SD card is relatively simple. The first thing you must do is go to the first link in the description, and it will lead you to a Win32 Disk Imager. Now, this is a program that we'll be using to image the flash drive or SD card, and you're going to want to go ahead and download this program. The second link in the description will lead you to a Kali Linux download page. Now, you're going to want to go down and choose which operating system you want to get. Now, I know for a fact that I'll be running this on 64-bit computers, and I want the full-fledged version of Kali. Now, you can go ahead and go with the light version in whichever bit you'd like. If you guys don't know what the bit means, then I'll leave a link in the description to a video that will help explain it and hopefully show you how to figure out what your bit rate is on your computer. Now, going on to which one I want to download, you want to get the ISO. I'm going to go ahead and download this. Now, this is actually going to take quite a while to download, so I'll be back when it's finished downloading. Once you have Win32 Disk Imager installed, as well as have Kali Linux downloaded, then you want to go to File Explorer and figure out what letter corresponds with your device. And now, obviously, here it's G. Do not screw this up because it will destroy all data currently on this device. Next, you want to go over and open Win32 Disk Imager and select the image file, which is clearly the Kali Linux file that we have above. So I'm going to go over to my desktop and go and unselect this so it has all files and select that file. Then we're going to want to select the device. Now, I want to use device G and not device H because device H is an external hard drive and device G is my flash drive. Now, I'm not actually going to do any hashing of this, and I'm just going to go ahead down and click write. Yes, so we know it's going to correct everything on this target device G, which is right here, and I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And as you can see, it has started the process of flashing this device. Alright everyone, I'll be using my laptop to test this device. First, you need to take your device and plug it into your laptop, whether that be an SD card or a USB flash drive. Once inserted, then power on your device. I'll be using my laptop as shown here for this process. You're going to want to boot into the BIOS menu. For me, it's F12. Once into the boot menu, I'm going to go down to change boot mode settings. This will be different depending on the motherboard manufacturer that you're using, so you have to figure out your way around it. I can't really help you there. I want to turn secure boot off and legacy mode on. Do you wish to proceed? Yes. Apply changes? Yes. Once this is done, I'll need to restart my computer. And press F12 to boot back into the boot settings window. Now, in your legacy boot area, you should see two different devices. For me, I'm using a PCIe SSD, which is inside my actual laptop. Then I also have a USB storage device, which is the device that we created. Now, obviously, you're going to want to select the USB storage device, seeing that we want to boot off of what we just created. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and it will boot from there. You'll hear a loud beep once Kali Linux has loaded, and you'll be greeted with a ton of options. Now, obviously, we don't want to go with install graphical install or install with speech synthesis, seeing that we don't want to actually we don't want to affect the hard drive at all. I'm going to go with the live USB encrypted persistence version. What this means is that it's going to be a live version, meaning it's going to be running off of the USB port, running off the USB flash drive. It's also going to be encrypted, which is just great for protection of your data. Always encrypt your stuff if you can have that manpower. And then persistence, meaning that if I decide that I want to take this out, I can go across to another computer, plug it in, and resume what I was doing with the same windows open. So that's why I'm going to be going with this version. So I'm going to select live USB encrypted persistence. As you can see, Kali Linux has loaded after all, and I'm going to go ahead and log in to my Wi-Fi so we'll have an opportunity to go on the internet. Alright everyone, I'm going to go ahead and go to Firefox and go to YouTube, and as you can see, you have a fully working version of Kali Linux. It's very simple to get back up and running after you plug in this USB, seeing that you keep all your old settings and all your old information. It's a great tool to bring along with you if you want to bring your applications along with you very easily. Alright guys, that's how you install Kali Linux on a flash drive. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you guys like the video. Bye.